So let's talk about the secondary data analysis assignment with 45 points. There are 3 things to turn in. You will answer one of these 3 questions, just one. You will answer one of these 3, that's your second, and one of these 3, that's your third. So you're not giving me all information in category 1 and 2 and 3. You give me 3 total bits of information. You're answering, say, this question here if you want, and this question here, and that question there. So one in each category. Well, where do you go to find the information? That's what these websites are up there for. This is secondary data is sort of like the needle in the haystack. You need to go find something, and there's a lot out there. So where do you find it? So I'm giving you specific information. So for category 1, one of these 3 websites deals with category 1. One of these 3 deals with category 2, and one with category 3. Okay. So you can just submit your answers in. You'll submit your assignment in the assignments link, and you can just write your answers right there on the form itself. But some rules first. Some rules first. Make sure if, for example, if you are reporting on a number, many times numbers are listed in thousands or millions. So pay attention to how tables are described. So it might say, for example, number of people married last year in Missouri. And if it says in thousands and the number listed is 1,112, so if you see 1,112 written down and it says the numbers are listed in thousands, you have to add 3 zeros to that. That's what the in thousands means. So it's really 1.1 million. If you need more help about that or more questions, please let me know. What I want from you is the complete URL for each thing you report. So if you answer this question right here, you'll type your answer down, and I want the URL. Why the URL? Well, let's say that I mark you wrong, but you went to a different web page than I did. Now, I want you to limit your searching to these websites. Again, this website here, these web pages in here deal with one of these 3 categories. This one deals with another one, and this one deals with another one. But if you go to a different web page than I did to find the answer, I need to know it, because if a different web page has one thing than the web page I found, you certainly need to get credit. So please realize that I want your answer and that URL. But realize this, you only get half credit if you're at the correct answer, but no URL. So if you get all 3 answers right, but no URLs, you're getting 7.5 points per question, not 15 points per question. So read through the information here, the instructions, very important and hopefully very clear. But anyway, so what you do is you will, you can hold the control button down and click on one of these links. I've already clicked on this one right here. So let me show you what it looks like. Let's see right here. So what you need to do is go back. Here, let's go back here for a sec. So this one deals with religion. So, okay, I'll give this one away. The religion link is right there. So here are 3 questions. Well, you need to find one of those. How do you do that? You have to do some digging. Look at tables, at the report. You can search. So somewhere in this website, somewhere in these web pages, is information dealing with atheists by age, percent Catholic, adults raised Catholic, and etc. Now, make sure you answer the question I'm asking. So, for example, if you do this question right here, I'm not looking for numbers. I'm not looking for people aged 15 to 40. It's percentage, it's atheists, and it's in this age range. Now, I know it sounds obvious, but nonetheless, many times it's easy to get confused or misdirected when you're looking at information. Make sure you're focusing on 2014 data. Here, 2016. Here, it's 14 or 15, depending. So that's the assignment. It is due March 30th by the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. in the assignments link. Please let me know what questions you have.